Clinics with outdated websites are losing an average of $37,000 per month. This is nearly $500,000 annually just seeping through the cracks. But here's the thing, it's not about having a fancy website or just spending thousands on website makeover. It comes down to three critical elements that turns browsers into booked appointments. The first element is the 3-second rule. I worked with a clinic. Their website looked beautiful. Modern design, great photos, the work. But when we looked at the analytics, we saw something shocking. 82% of their visitors were leaving after just 3 seconds. Why? Because they couldn't immediately find what they were looking for. Things like insurance acceptance, available appointment times, location, and hours. The fix wasn't redesigning the website. It was simply restructuring the homepage to show these three pieces of information front and center. The result is booking rates tripled in the first month. The second point is the mobile booking experience. Here's the number that changed everything for your practice. 76% of patients try to book appointments on their phone after 6 p.m. But most practices' websites are designed for desktop users doing business hours. Let me show you what this means in real dollars. The average new patient's value is about what? $1,200? So monthly mobile booking attempts, there are 50 monthly mobile booking attempts. So lost opportunities due to poor mobile experience is about 31 patients, which equals to a monthly revenue impact of $37,000. The solution isn't complex. It's about creating a booking experience that works as smoothly on phone at 9 p.m. as it does on desktop at noon. The third point is a 24/7 conversion system. This is where most practices leave money on the table. When potential patients have questions after the office hours, they typically do one or two things: leaving and never coming back, or try calling another practice. But what if your website could answer common questions instantly, hold appointments for interested patients, and follow up automatically? We've seen practices double their after-hour booking just by implementing this one system. And the best part, they didn't even need to redesign their entire website or hire expensive developers. Now that you understand the three elements that transform a website from digital business card to a 24/7 patient acquisition system, you might be wondering, how do I implement these changes without changing my current website or spending thousands on development? That's exactly why we created the Optical system. Our system integrates seamlessly with your existing website, adding these critical elements without any complex redesign. So if you're ready to discover how you can transform your website into a patient generating machine that works around the clock, click the link down in the description and then schedule a walkthrough call so we can discuss how to implement it, because your practice deserves a website that generates revenue, not just look pretty.